What up, YouTube? I'm going to show you guys how to change this fuel pressure regulator on a 2005 Colorado. All right. First step, we take this T27 nut, get it on the screw on the nut. Start loosening it. And like I always say, take your time. We're in no rushes with these things. Okay, there's the T27 nut. Let's take off this vacuum line. Get the vacuum line out of the way. Okay. These are all held in with O-rings. Okay, then take off this one, this T27. Okay. There we go. A little more room. That should come off the bottom with that O-ring. Okay, it's coming. I feel like there's something else that's got me. This pops out, right? Yep. Okay, it pops out. That O-ring was holding it into that part right there. See that? Where the gas is, you see right in there? That O-ring was holding it. You pop that out, and then on the bottom, right here, there's gonna be another O-ring. There it is, the blue O-ring in there. Now we got new ones. We got new ones for the new piece. So we're gonna get the new ones. This one already has one here. So what I need is this one. Get it down in there seated. Okay. Okay, now it's got the O-ring seated. First step. Make sure you don't pinch the O-rings. And now we're just gonna force this O-ring back in. There it goes, I heard it snap. Now we're gonna take our nuts and we'll reverse our steps. First we'll do this top one. And this nut's actually what's holding everything in. So you want to make sure that one's nice and tight. Just like that. Now we'll put this bottom one in, which is holding the fuel line into the bottom of the regulator. Tighten it down. Now we're going to take our vacuum line and pop it on top. 1, 2, and that's how you change the fuel pressure regulator on this 2005 Colorado. We'll start it up here and let all that old excess fuel in there clean out, and it should start idling fine. All right, go, start. He's going to start it. I'm going to show you the part. Make sure we don't want any leaks. We have no leaks, and it was revved high right off the start. That was that extra fuel in there. Now listen to it, it's already calming down. That's how you change the fuel pressure regulator.